an indo-pak paya curry. This is an indo-pak dish, guys. It's fantastic, full of gelatin. We are talking about lamb feet recipe without the skin. Look at it. I have lamb feet right here. These are with the bone, of course. These are skinless. We have some herbs. We will add these right here. You can eat this recipe with the bread or rice. So first thing first, for this recipe, you should have a pressure cooker, okay? It makes life so easy, you know? So once you have a pressure cooker, put your pressure cooker on a flame, make it on the medium. We will add at least 3 cups of water in here. This is the first step for it. So here goes the 3 cups of water. In that, we will add 1 medium-sized onion. So we are dealing with the 2.5 pounds of a lamb feet or mutton paya. So 1 medium-sized onion, just slice it, dice it, whatever you like. You have to add these in the water. Look at here. 2 of the bay leaves, 1 black cardamom, at least 4 to 5 green cardamom. These are the cloves, so at least 4 to 5 cloves, 1 big stick of cinnamon. If you don't have these ingredients in like real form, you can definitely use these ingredients in powder form. Add half of the tablespoon, you know, I showed you the tablespoon last time. So this is whole black pepper, right? At least 1 tablespoon of black pepper, or if you have a powder, use half tablespoon. This is regular, cumin. We will add at least 1 whole tablespoon of cumin right here. This is, look at this, this is fennel seed, 1 tablespoon right here. All right, once you add all these ingredients, there is one more thing to do. We will take half tablespoon of turmeric powder, add that right here, just half of it. Half tablespoon of the salt right here, just add it right here. So this is just the first step, how we have to make these beautiful. Look at these feet. I love these feet, you know. I was taking a picture and I was like, man, these are so beautiful, you know. You see this paya, mutton paya, or you can say lamb feet paya curry, or you can say lamb paya stew, or you can say a gelatin stew. How you can make a gelatin stew? Give it a regular mix. So if you guys see in here, this is how it's gonna look. All right, it's on a medium. Don't put your stove on the high flame right now. This is a slow process. It's gonna take around 2.5 to 3 hours. But this guy, man, if you eat this with the bread or rice or just by itself, you're gonna be happy about it. All right, once you add all these ingredients, mix it up, then we will start blending our beautiful, you see, all these guys right here. We have to boil these guys at least for a couple hours on a medium flame. I know it's a bigger recipe, it's a time consuming recipe, but man, the flavor, if you're looking for a flavor, this is the way to go for the flavors. This is a pressure cooker. Get a pressure cooker, add some water, add all these ingredients what I have told you. Okay, let's lock this. All right, it's all locked. I'll see you guys after 2 hours. It's been a couple hours. This guy has been like this and steaming like this. You know, I just want to tell you, it has been steaming like this. So for now, let's take it off from the stove. Let's put it right on the side. Let this guy after 2 hours, let it settle down. You will need a pot or a pan on the stove. Now we will add 8 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil. I'm using at least I'm using olive oil in here, so at least 8 tablespoons, 8 to 10. Just make a layer of oil at the bottom of your pan or a pot. This is onion paste, yellow onion. We will take at least 2 cups of onion and we will add the paste right here. We'll cook this right now. Our paya is settling down in the pressure cooker. It's still hot. You see this? Let it settle down. Let it all settle down. We will make our ingredients right now, right here. We will make a tempering for this paya. And we still need at least 30 to 40 minutes to cook this guy, to the perfection. So here it is, our GG paste, ginger and garlic paste. This is 1 cup of ginger and garlic paste. 2 spoons of garlic, 2 spoons of ginger. Mix them well and add this right here. This is the final tempering we are making for our delicious paya, the mutton paya curry. Once you add all of this, give it a stir so the onion, ginger and garlic get mixed up. Cumin powder, 1 whole tablespoon. Let me grab a spoon. 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. This is freshly grounded. You can use from the market. So 1 whole tablespoon of cumin powder. It goes here. This is red chili powder. Since it's a curry, man, you have to follow this recipe. You will add 1 whole tablespoon of red chili powder right here. Half tablespoon of turmeric. Look at this. This is our coriander crushed. We'll add 1 whole tablespoon of it right here. Let's give this a mix and we will stir fry this now. It's been 5 minutes. We have been stir frying our onion and the ingredients. If you guys see, this is how it looks. It's a fine paste right now. You guys see that? This is what we need. Alright, let's look at here. Oh yeah, it has been settled down. Our paya in the pressure cooker. Oh my god, it's hot. Let's open this right here. Okay, my god, man, this is what it is. Yum. Look at this. Perfectly. Is it tender? Oh yeah, just by the touch it's tender. It's easy to eat. Look at this feet, man. Perfect. So for this whole recipe, you will need at least 3 onions in here. So this whole mixture, look at this, guys. I'm adding all in here. Everything goes in here. Oh my god, the payas are so tender right now. You can check the salts. I might need to add half tablespoon of more salt in here. So here is our tablespoon. A lot of people are asking, you don't use the spoon, so here it is. Half tablespoon of salt goes here. We will add 1 more cup of water. And so give it a mix. Look how calm it got. Look at this paya, man. Sliced 1 whole onion. So I have stir fried this onion right here. Add the half of the onion, the fried, right here, right on top. Just like that. After adding the onion, this is how it is, man. The darker brown onions, they will give a perfect flavor for our paya curry. Put your stove on to medium to simmer now. Let it be like this. We will take yogurt, plain yogurt, at least 2 tablespoons. They go right here. Just like that. Give it a mix again. We will cover this and cook it for at least 15 minutes on to simmering or to very slow heat. In the meantime, we will prep some cilantro and some green chilies. Ten minutes has been gone. It's on a simmering. We will just close this down. We are done with the heating process. The cooking process. 1 handful of cilantro, my friend, it goes right here. And 1 handful of sliced green chilies. You want to eat best pie, right? This is what it is. Give it a mix. just like that. Let it all mix. Look at this, man. You don't like this? The paya, whole paya cooked? It's about the flavors. We care about the flavors. The final 5 minutes without the heat. It's still boiling. You guys see that, right? Cover it. So the cilantro, the chili infuses our whole paya curry, the mutton paya curry. Okay, the time is gone and we are ending up with the delicious, the paya curry of our dreams right here. Have some naan bread with that, man. I'm telling you. Look at this. It's a dreamy recipe. This is a taste test. It's a hot naan bread with the hot curry. Then you should wait at least 10 minutes on this guy. Look at this gelatin. OMG, man. OMG. Woo! It's flavorful with all these home ingredients. Dip it in the sauce. My God. Man, I can't even touch this bite. So hot. I should wait, right? Here you go. Man, this is what we are talking. Just by moving the bone, take the bread. This is all you need to make with the flavors. It's the flavors that matters. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, enjoy this pie, man. Oh my God, it's just hot. Hoo hoo hoo. This is the aftermath, guys. Here you go. I have 2 more pieces left here and I have 2 more pieces left here. This is so good. I'm telling you, man.